Using K518 Pro, program Smart Key for the 2017 Honda Avancier. In all key loss situation, select Honda. Select from type, select Smart Keys. Select button type 3. First, we see 3 menus. This car lose all the keys, so we choose all Smart Key Lost program. To requirements for program 1, no error code. 2, prepare all the keys to be programmed. Take all the keys out of the car. Click OK. Take one key into the car. Press start button 2 times whether to turn on the car. Can't turn on the ignition surely in the all key loss situation. Press cancel. Then press and hold the start button. OK, the ignition is on. Click OK. And then the system shows. If the chip is 4A, please select OK. If it says 47, please select cancel. This car has a 47 chip. Click cancel. OK, now let's enter the count of the keys to be programmed. We enter 2. OK. Take the keys out of the car. And take this key out of the car. And then hit OK. Take the next key to be programmed into the car. Take this new key into the car. OK, turn off the ignition. Press the start button. Turn on the ignition in 15 seconds. Let's see whether the immobilizer light is off. No immobilizer lights on. Continue. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition in 15 seconds. Then turn off the ignition in 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition in 15 seconds. OK, the number of program keys is 2. Please ensure each key can start the engine, unlock or unlock the car door. Program complete. Now let's try whether the remote of the keys can work normal. Turn off the ignition. Then we'll try the remote control. Lock and unlock. Lock and unlock. OK, remote function worked properly. Now let's try the smart function. Let's take a key out of the car. Keep one key in the car. Turn on the ignition. OK. The first key works fine. Now let's try the second key. Alright, let's take the second key into the car. Step on the brake. Press the start button. The car starts normally. Using K518 Pro to program Smart Key in all key loss for 2017 Honda Avancier Smart Key successfully.